Sir,
Tell me
um,
about yourself. 1 minute. Yeah.
my name is Ankush Mitta. I'm from Jalandhar. I have done my graduation from DAV University in Mechanical Engineering, and currently I'm pursuing my MBA in Banking and Financial Engineering from Chandigarh University. And I have 1 year of experience in trading in stock market, and my hobbies are trading and playing chess. Thank you, sir.
Good. No, you are doing MBA in which subject?
Banking and finance
Oh,
with
banking.
major finance.
Very good, very good. Excellent. Now, you said you have experience in trading.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain what is trading and what is the um, benefit of doing trading? How to make gains out of trading?
Mhm. So actually, trading is buying or selling any security in derivative market, which is in stock market. There are many strategies in option trading. I generally do option trading, especially option selling. In option selling, there are many strategies from where you can gain maximum profit and hedge your all losses. Generally, I do strategy of 1:2, where if I lose 100 rupees, I try to make 200 rupees in the next trade. So I work on some strategies like Strangle, Straddle, Iron Condor. These are the strategies I use to work on in stock market.
Acha? Did you take some cut training for this?
Actually, I've learned from books and my friend who is working in in future trader company, and I also try to learn from YouTube videos also.
Good. Don't you think it is a gambling business to do trading? Is it not
Uh,
so risky? There are people who are benefited. Only possibly 0.01% of people succeed,
yes.
whereas majority 99.99% people lose.
Hmm.
So, or the number can be different, maybe 1%, 2%,
Yeah, one.
10%.
Mhm.
It can be different. So, how do you
Sir, actually, it's all about mentality.
reconcile? Uh, Tell me.
Sir, it's all about mentality. Starting 1 year, I have also lost about 1.5 lakh in, I think, starting 6 months. But
Oh,
then slowly, I try to regain. I have still not recovered my all losses, but slowly, I'm into profits. So the things I learned is the first main thing is the risk management. You should manage your order risk by hedging your position. Secondly, um, it's very much important to cut down your profit. Once you see profit or once you see a loss, you should cut down. It's not holding a bit to for the whole day. You should cut down your profit and losses, and these are the things by which you can succeed in stock market.
what is your
But coming to
father?
your point, coming to your
What
point at 99, yes.
gambling? Yeah, gambling.
Uh, yes, yes, sir. For those who don't know strategies, who just take naked position without hedging, for them it's gambling only. But as I said, I work on 1:2 strategy where I lose 100 rupees, I gain 200. I try to get 200 rupees in the next trade. So by hedging, I don't say it's gambling, but for those who don't know about stock market, yeah, it could be gambling for them.
Because there are a lot of reports coming in YouTube and newspapers where people have lost monies like this, not only here, in other things also, where
Hmm.
um, see, greediness is one of the source for problems or loss. For
Yes.
example, people invest money in blade companies. Blade companies means that promise 5% per month interest,
Yes.
10% per month interest, and all, believing
Hmm.
that they invest and they lose the basic money itself. So,
Yes.
similar is the strategy under stock market. Of course, there are a small section of people who do it with a lot of conviction and strategies and all that. So
Yes.
it's good. But if you are going to tell about trade, interview will be on trading, like it is happening now.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So underplay that and tell and go about say finance and also federal bank like that, so that you will get questions related to them. Now, of course, if you enjoy talking on trading, I have no objection. Because
Okay.
I have not been able to ask questions, sub questions on what is strangling something you were telling.
Yes.
Whereas
Yes.
those people will be familiar with those concepts. So they will ask
Mhm.
questions. You must be able to answer them well.
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise,
Sure.
the routine Federal Bank interview will go like this. Please
Hmm.
tell us about your family.
Okay. So there are 5 members in our family. Uh, my father is a government employee in PSPCL. My mother is also government employee in PSPCL, and my brother is working in private sector, and I have a grandmother also.
Actually, PSBCL means Punjab State. What is that?
Technical, sir, Punjab State Technical Board of India. Punjab State
I,
Technical. Yes.
I suggest you tell it full.
Okay.
And
Okay. Okay, sir.
no doubt, people who are going to interview you will be able to understand it because you may
Hmm.
get somebody from Punjab only. One person will
Hmm.
be there in the board. He will
Hmm.
understand. But it is a rule that in interviews we should not use abbreviations.
Okay. 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 Okay, sir. Okay. I'll keep it in mind.
Rule means, I mean, my thinking.
Mhm.
No,
Yes, yes, yes. Sure, sure, sure.
so that will be good. Good, very nice. So you good. You said your father is working in PSTCL or whatever it is. What is he in
Yes.
that?
Sir, he's basically store manager.
Mhm. What are the things stored in the stores?
Sir, the main work he do is I have also done his work at some time. The main work he do is to issue a transformer.
Oh, good. Don't tell
That's
this in a real interview. You should not tell. I was doing
okay.
the work of father.
Okay, okay. Well,
You
I mean to say I help my father in work whenever. That's why.
that's correct. You tell it that way. I have
Okay.
visited my father's office. I have seen him doing this.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir. That's my
That
mistake.
will be best way of explaining this. Good. Otherwise, you have very good communication skill, which can give you some extra marks, no doubt about it. And
Hmm.
you are in which college?
Sir, Chandigarh University.
Oh, same. Acha, acha. I know.
Yes.
Chandigarh University, so many people are there now waiting
Yes.
for results and all. Correct, correct, correct.
Hmm.
Good. Very good. Now, um, you tell me about Federal Bank, whatever important points you want to tell in 1 minute.
Okay. Sir, Federal Bank offers many. Sir, should I tell the history or directly the points, the main points?
History and all, no.
Okay, okay,
Simply,
okay.
you will say it was started in the year by KP Hormis, then present MD CEO, then
Hmm.
what is the present business position of the bank from
Hmm.
different angles. You are a finance man. You must be able
Hmm.
to tell it from different angles. Then
Hmm.
tell
Okay.
about the achievements made by Federal Bank,
Hmm.
awards if any received. If time permits, go into corporate social responsibility.
Okay.
That's all. Tell.
So, sir, Federal Bank was started in 1934 by KP Hormus, and CEO of Federal Bank is C. Balagopal. And recently, Federal Bank has come with quarterly results. Okay, no.
CEO, MD and CEO is Shyam Srinivasan.
Oh, yes, confused with the chief. Yeah,
He
yeah.
is chairman. He is a chairman.
Chairman, yes, sir. He's C. Balagopal. And yeah. Sorry, sir. Sorry, that's my mistake.
Because I didn't strike me. Suddenly I remembered.
Mhm.
Tell me.
Okay,
Continue.
okay.
Now start from the beginning.
Federal Bank was started in 1934 by it was founded by KP Hormis, and CEO of Federal Bank is Sri Shyam Srinivasan, and recently the share price of Federal Bank is 132, and Federal Bank recently has come with a very good quarterly result. It generated 704 crore of profit, and the profit has increased from
I know
53%.
you are a commerce graduate. You should tell net profit.
Okay, okay, sir.
Profit
Okay.
का मतलब it can be operating profit, it can be trading
Hmm.
profit. क्या
Yes, sir.
profit है
Yes, sir.
clearly बताना है. हम बताइए. Continue.
So net
704.
profit,
हाँ.
yes, 704 crore is the net profit. And Federal Bank offer many services like wholesale banking, retail banking, loans and advances, and mutual funds, insurance, etc. And
Hmm.
Federal Bank
Hmm.
has come with uh, many other things like recently uh, it has special facility for women, like women can have a saving account with a zero minimum balance, and they can have loans at a less rate of interest, and they can have two kids account with zero balance in it. So this is special facility for women, which is the Pavitra Yojana. I forgot the name of this Yojana.
Hmm.
These things I know about federal banks.
But you have not covered the points that a finance man should cover.
Okay, please.
A finance man must have been able to tell some more important points from the angle of finance. What is the difference between you and a a normal economics graduate or M.Tech graduate? Understand? So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आपको position is something challenging, and
Mhm.
आपने तो have you not seen my previous videos?
Yes, sir.
I
I've
would have,
seen.
but I
Mhm.
would have guided people properly in telling about what are the various aspects you have to tell. I will show
Mhm.
you now. I will show you now.
Mhm.
Yeah, just a minute. I hope you have this with you in your
Yes.
system.
Mhm.
Either say what are the points to be covered important. You should say net profit 704 crore. A
Mhm.
return on assets for quarter two 1.21%. A
Mhm.
return on equity 14.36%. It is not only sufficient you simply say this, you must
Mhm.
be able to explain what is ROA, what is ROE. Then
Mhm.
net interest margin increased to 3.30 by 10 basis points year on
Mhm.
year. Then
Okay.
you must be able to know what is net interest margin, what is year on year. What do you understand by year on year?
Means, sir, every year.
No, ऐसा नहीं है. Compared to the figure for the
Previous year.
last quarter. That
Okay. Okay.
is
Okay.
2021 सितंबर क्वार्टर से अभी
Mhm.
सितंबर 2022 को क्वार्टर रिजल्ट कंपेयर करने से ये तो
Okay.
बढ़ गया by 10 basis points, something like that. इतना
Okay,
clearly
sir.
बोलना है. Similarly,
Okay.
GNPA, NNPA 2.46, 0.78. There will be question. What is
Mhm.
GNPA? What is NNPA? आपको पता होना है.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Yes, sir.
Acha. Then come to this page. You should tell that the total business of the bank is 3,50,000 crore or 3.5 lakh crore.
Okay, sir.
Dekha?
Mhm.
How much this? The deposit is 1,89,000 crore.
Okay, sir.
You must also tell the advances is 1,63,000 crore, 1,64,000 crore roughly.
Mhm. Okay, sir. Okay.
then
Okay.
then you should come to, if at all you remember this you can talk about this, otherwise come to this one, that the gross NPA 4,031. Of course,
Mhm.
if you tell net NPA, gross NPA and net NPA percentage, that will do. Then
Mhm.
you should tell that the total net worth of the bank is 19,617 crore.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
You should also say that the CRAR, capital risk weighted asset ratio, is 13.84%. ये सब clearly बोलना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
आपको,
Okay.
you must
700.
be able to explain about what is CRAR also. Just search in Google, you will get it.
Okay,
Then
sir.
you
Okay.
should tell that they have 1,305 branches and
Hmm.
1,876 ATMs and cash recyclers.
Okay, sir.
ये बोल रहा है. इसका बाद
Okay.
में ठहरो जी. इसका बाद में आपने आना है. You have to come down to this about us. We should go to about us, and in about us you will have corporate social responsibility.
Hmm.
Please go through this and tell what are the areas in which they are giving. For example, they are giving school buses, they are giving scholarships, they are helping the hospitals for health management, and they are also in charge of some parks and all this maintenance of parks. You please see in that
Okay. Okay, sir. Hmm.
that way. And another point is you should tell about this one, that is awards received by them,
Hmm.
that this bank has been graded as a great place to work in Asia award, ranked 63.
Hmm.
Then this is a private sector bank of the year customer service provider. Then Finoviti award 2022. Like this, Federal Bank has received many awards, and this
Hmm.
can be used by you for telling why do you want to join Federal Bank. You can say that Federal Bank is the bank which has got this award, and
Hmm.
apart from other reasons. And to be frank, you don't have to tell in the interview. This is the only bank which is paying 30,000 rupees per each pensioner of their bank for mediclaim. Whereas I retired from Indian Bank, we had to
Hmm.
pay 58,000 full money from our pocket.
Okay.
Whereas they are the only bank, that is, I mean to say they are very good as far as HR is concerned, at
Hmm.
least outwardly. Inside में क्या होता है, inter conflict क्या होगा वो तो पता नहीं है. But this is what openly you can tell in an interview. I think by now you would have understood what are the things you have to cover. After
Yes, sir.
this interview, you prepare one round for this and be
Hmm.
ready to answer.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. Sure,
Very
sir.
good. Now, apart from this, have you gone through the questions or not?
Yes, sir. I've gone through the questions.
Yeah, so many questions. I have been
Sir.
update. I have been updating now and then, but not this one.
Hmm. Sir, I've gone through the 10 pages of the Federal
Ah,
Bank interview
yeah,
questions.
10 pages, nahi, 73 pages I
Yeah,
saw.
yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, I was started studying in the morning only, so I have less amount of time.
No, first, no, true, but go through the latest ones. I am giving everything on top. For example,
Yes, sir. Yes.
latest interview was this.
Mm-hmm.
Family background. From where did you
Mm-hmm.
started preparing for interview? Unique
Mm-hmm.
about Federal Bank from employee perspective. Have you
Mm-hmm.
done sales before? Why
Yes.
banking sector? Current
Mm.
repo rate percentage. What is current repo rate?
Sir, current repo rate is it's at 5.9.
Good. Very happy. What is a repo rate? ये बोलना है. Repo rate
Yes.
at which the banks borrow from Reserve Bank of India for short period, say 14
Yes.
days.
Mm-hmm.
Some
Yes.
people say 14, some people say 14 to 90 days, but simply say short term.
Okay. Okay.
Say
Short term.
short term. Then
ठीक है.
why RBI decrease repo rate? These are all
Mm-hmm.
finance questions.
Yes, sir. I'm
Challenges
going.
in banking. Challenges in banking industry India. Search in Google.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sir.
Then a recent book you have read. What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies
Trading.
are trading with stock market and chess.
Yes. Acha. Who are the latest grandmasters of chess from India?
Sir,
There is one young boy, Pragyananda,
yes, sir,
something.
Pragyan. Yes, yes, sir.
ये सब पढ़ लो जी, इसको रेडी कर
Hmm.
दो. 5 names, you be ready. latest
Okay,
names.
okay. Okay, sir.
And
Okay, okay.
be ready to talk about the recent Olympic chess happened in Mahabalipuram, which was inaugurated by Prime Minister also, long back,
Okay.
about 3-4 months back.
Okay, sir. Okay, sure, sir.
Then NPA and its recent news. They are asking like this because yesterday I posted a video. What
Hmm.
happened in the last 5 years? The
Hmm.
public sector banks have written off 10 lakh crore rupees.
Okay, okay.
And of course, it is coming down year after year. Some such message
Hmm.
is there
Yes.
in Indian Express. You can know about it. But this is not a latest news. This is the
Hmm.
news of August.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, sir.
News of August. Then,
Hmm.
are you ready to relocate? You should say yes. Any
Hmm.
one quality you are not mentioned in your resume. How will you answer this?
Sir, the quality I've not mentioned in my resume is obviously trading. I have a very much good quality of being a profitable trader.
No,
So
no,
that,
that is not a quality. That is a hobby.
yes, sir. Sir, quality.
Quality का मतलब being very kind to people, helping
Mm-hmm.
others, some such
Mm-hmm.
quality of
Sir, should I
yours.
mention my never give up attitude as
Hmm. Good. That's a good thing.
hmm.
So ऐसा मत ही आप prepare कर दीजिए. What is the time now in India?
Sir 7:30?
Oh, acha. I have to go for the next round. I don't know who is coming. So this
Okay,
is
okay.
what it is. And
Mm-hmm.
you please go through the questions that are given here. See, this is the
Okay, sir.
thing. This is your own, I think, um,
Mm-hmm.
Punjab University only. And they directly started asking about my 12th marks. Why do you want to pursue? This is not your, this is not finance. That
Mm-hmm.
is that Vaishnavi's questions are also here. Who is RBI governor? Have you visited Federal Bank branch? Like that. ये सब पढ़ लीजिए. कासा क्या है? कासा जानते हैं?
Okay.
What is कासा?
Yes, sir.
जानते हैं?
Current accounts, it stands for current account saving account,
Good.
and it tells, yeah.
Success. No
Okay, sir.
problem. Prepare कर दीजिए. I'm sorry because I'm not having time to sit with you. Otherwise,
Okay, okay.
इतना ये सब very important question है जी. Liquidity ratio क्या है?
Mm-hmm.
Then
Yes, sir.
CRR क्या है? Native place क्या है? ये सब अब prepare करना है जी.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to know one answer.
Do
Uh,
you they will ask, do
like,
you have a demat account? What is the current
hmm.
share price? And a tough question they are asking is, what is the market capitalization of Federal
Sir,
Bank?
it's 27,926 crore.
Mhm. Okay,
Sir,
good,
I have a
very good.
question.
Mm.
Like, sir, I have done engineering. I have an engineering background. So will they ask that why you are coming to banking sector?
Because you are already MBA now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay,
Don't
okay.
worry. You are going
Hmm.
with this MBA flag only.
Okay, 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 sir.
Best wishes. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you,
You
sir.
you
Thank you,
did
sir.
well. 9
Thank
out
you,
of
sir.
10. And please
Okay.
attend the interview and send me the questions they are asking.
Okay, sir. Okay, sure, sir. Sure. Thank you. Sir, actually, one of my friend want to give you interview.
Yeah.
So he will pay
Pl-
you.
Yeah. Please ask him to pay 305 rupees to GPay.
Okay.
You know the procedure. And
Yes, sir. Yes.
let him send what the screenshot to my WhatsApp
Mhm.
80721.
Okay,
And
sir. Should.
if he wants
Mhm.
it today, he has to inform me beforehand so that I'll be ready for him at 10 o'clock or so.
Okay, okay, okay. Sir, actually, should she give interview right now, sir, or later on?
Uh, no, but Abhi, as it is, I'm committed to all the people here and let her pay the money and take it by probably 8:20.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, sir.
8:20. And is she
Mhm.
definitely coming? Ask her to message immediately by sending that
Okay.
screenshot. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will
Acha,
ask.
is she also going to have interview
Yes, sir. Yes,
tomorrow?
sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
let her pay. then let her pay only 200 rupees, no problem, because I can't give her anything material and all. They, acha, let
Yes.
her pay 305 only, no problem. I will give materials and all. Let her read it. Let her watch the videos also. आज रात
Okay.
में जितना भी होगा उतना करने का बोल दीजिए.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
पढ़
Sure.
नहीं सकते. Let her come
Okay.
to me based on this,
Mm.
and
Okay.
820. Shall I mark it like that for her?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Marker.
Or is she nearby you to take interview right now?
Yes, sir. She can take interview right now.
Acha. Then okay, I will tell this candidate I will come late. Okay, let her come by 8:20. Let her get prepared. Let her come by 8:20 only. And उनका 5 numbers बता दीजिए. First 5 numbers, cell number. Acha, I will close this recording so that you can tell fully. 1 minute. You can tell fully.